Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world. From the way we communicate to the way we work, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. It drives our social media feeds, curating content that keeps us engaged and connected with the world around us, allows us to talk to our phones, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient, and is even changing how we drive our cars, with autonomous vehicles promising safer and more convenient travel. But with these advancements come anxieties. The rapid pace of change can be unsettling for many. Many people are concerned about the impact of AI on jobs. Will robots take over? Will humans become obsolete? These questions weigh heavily on the minds of workers across various industries. These are valid questions. The uncertainty of the future can be daunting. World leaders and experts are also thinking about these issues, trying to navigate the complexities of this technological revolution. Bill Gates and Barack Obama have shared their thoughts on the future of work in the age of AI. They emphasize the need for thoughtful consideration and proactive measures. Their insights offer a blend of hope and caution. They believe in the potential of AI to transform society for the better. They acknowledge the immense potential of AI, from revolutionizing healthcare to advancing scientific research, but they also highlight the potential challenges. Ethical considerations and the need for regulation are paramount. Understanding these perspectives can help us prepare for the future. Education and awareness are key to navigating this new landscape. We need to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared by all. Inclusivity and equitable access must be prioritized. We must also address the potential downsides. By working together, we can create a future where AI serves humanity positively. Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft, is a prominent voice in the AI conversation. He has been at the forefront of technological innovation for decades. Gates believes that AI will democratize intelligence. He argues that specialized knowledge like that of doctors and teachers will become more accessible. This has the potential to revolutionize various fields. AI could help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately, leading to better patient outcomes and more efficient healthcare systems. AI could also help teachers personalize education for every student, tailoring lesson plans to individual needs and learning styles. However, Gates also acknowledges the uncertainty surrounding this transformation. He points out that AI's problem-solving abilities are impressive, but they come with their own set of challenges. But this also raises questions about the future of work. What happens when AI can perform tasks currently done by humans? The impact on employment could be significant. Gates suggests that we may need to rethink traditional work structures. Perhaps we will see shorter work weeks, allowing people more time for leisure and personal development. Maybe new types of jobs will emerge, particularly in the tech industry, where innovation is constant. Creative professionals might find new opportunities in this evolving landscape. Former President Barack Obama shares similar concerns about the future. He emphasizes the unprecedented speed and impact of AI on society. Obama believes that AI is evolving faster than any previous technological revolution in history. This rapid pace of change will disrupt industries across the board significantly. Obama points out that AI already surpasses human capabilities in certain critical areas. For example, some AI models can now outperform software developers in coding tasks. This has significant implications for high-paying jobs that were once considered secure and stable. Obama believes that AI will create a divide in the workforce, affecting many. Highly skilled professionals will use AI to enhance their work significantly, but routine jobs, those that can be easily automated, will likely disappear soon. Section 4. The Human Response Concerns and Questions. The rise of AI has sparked widespread discussion and debate, touching every corner of society. Social media is abuzz with concerns about job security, as people wonder what the future holds for their careers. People are anxious about the future of healthcare and education, questioning how these essential services will evolve. They wonder if machines can truly replace the human touch in these critical fields, where empathy and personal connection are key. Others are trying to identify the skills that will be most valuable in an AI-driven economy, seeking to future-proof their careers. The comparison to past technological shifts is inevitable, as history often repeats itself in new forms. Just as the internet disrupted traditional media, AI is poised to reshape entire industries, from manufacturing to journalism. The key question is how we can adapt to these changes and harness the power of AI for the greater good, ensuring that progress benefits everyone. Section 5. Preparing for the AI future. Both Gates and Obama stress the urgent need for proactive measures. They believe that governments and institutions need to step up their efforts. Policy support and retraining programs are crucial to help workers navigate this significant transition. Education systems need to adapt to equip students with the essential skills needed for an AI-driven world. The future of work in the age of AI is uncertain and evolving. It is up to us to shape this future responsibly and thoughtfully. By embracing lifelong learning, investing in human potential, and fostering collaboration, we can harness the power of AI to create a more equitable and prosperous future for all.